Welcome back to Tour Motorhome, and today we are bringing you a complete and in-depth review of the 2026 Tesla Maybach Motorhome, a luxury motorhome that takes futuristic design, comfort, and performance to an entirely new level. This is not just a motorhome. It is a statement of lifestyle, innovation, and ultra-premium travel designed for people who want nothing but the best on the road. Starting with the exterior, the first thing you notice is its sheer presence. The Tesla Maybach Motorhome looks massive, bold, and incredibly refined at the same time. Finished in a smooth pearl white body color, the design feels clean, modern, and aerodynamic. The front fascia is dominated by a large black glass windshield that seamlessly blends into the body, with the Tesla branding clearly visible, giving it a futuristic identity. The LED accent lines flow along the edges and body contours, enhancing the premium look without being flashy. Every curve is carefully designed, not just for beauty, but also for efficiency and stability. The multi-axle setup gives this motorhome incredible road presence and ensures better weight distribution, making long journeys more stable and comfortable. Along the sides, near the dark panoramic windows add privacy, while maintaining a sleek and elegant profile. These windows are perfectly integrated, keeping the body lines smooth and uninterrupted. The large wheels and heavy-duty tires are built for long-distance touring, offering excellent grip and confidence on highways, mountain roads, and uneven surfaces. Whether parked or moving, this motorhome looks like a luxury concept vehicle brought to life. Step inside, and the interior instantly feels like a high-end luxury suite. The cabin is spacious, airy, and beautifully illuminated with soft ambient LED lighting that runs across the ceiling, walls, and floor edges. The materials used throughout the interior are premium, with soft touch panels, refined finishes, and plush seating that reflects Maybach-level craftsmanship. The lounge area is designed for relaxation and socializing, featuring large, comfortable sofas with excellent support, perfect for long trips or quiet evenings on the road. The layout feels open and well-balanced, giving you the feeling of a modern luxury apartment rather than a vehicle. The kitchen area is thoughtfully designed to combine functionality with elegance. It features sleek countertops, smart storage cabinets, and integrated high-end appliances that allow you to prepare meals comfortably while traveling. From induction cooking surfaces to built-in refrigeration and concealed storage, everything is placed with precision. The lighting in the kitchen area is soft yet practical, making it easy to cook while maintaining the overall luxurious ambiance. This kitchen is not just for quick snacks, it is built for full-scale cooking, making long journeys feel like home. Moving further inside, the bedroom area continues the luxury theme with a calm and relaxing atmosphere. The bed is large, comfortable, and designed for maximum rest after long drives. Soft lighting, premium upholstery, and sound insulation ensure peaceful sleep regardless of where you are parked. Storage spaces are cleverly integrated around the bedroom, allowing you to carry luggage, clothing, and essentials without cluttering the space. This area truly feels like a private retreat on wheels. The bathroom is another highlight of the Tesla Maybach Motorhome. Unlike traditional motorhomes where bathrooms feel cramped, this one feels spacious, modern, and hotel-like. It features premium fixtures, a sleek sink, a modern toilet system, and a well-designed shower area with elegant lighting. High-quality materials and smart ventilation keep the space fresh and comfortable. The bathroom design focuses on both luxury and practicality, ensuring you never feel limited while traveling. Now let's talk about performance. Despite its massive size, the Tesla Maybach Motorhome delivers smooth and powerful performance thanks to its advanced electric drivetrain. The electric motors provide instant torque, making acceleration effortless and surprisingly quick for a vehicle of this size. Highway driving feels calm and stable, while uphill routes and mountain roads are handled with confidence. The large battery pack offers impressive range, allowing long journeys with fewer charging stops. Regenerative braking not only improves efficiency, but also enhances control, especially on long downhill stretches. The suspension system is designed to absorb road imperfections, ensuring a smooth ride for everyone inside. Even on rough roads, the cabin remains calm and composed. Tesla's advanced driver assistance systems add an extra layer of safety and convenience with features like adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, and intelligent navigation support. Driving this motorhome feels surprisingly easy and stress-free, even for long distances. Technology is deeply integrated throughout the motorhome. The central infotainment system controls everything from navigation and entertainment to climate and lighting. The interface is fast, intuitive, and responsive, offering a truly modern driving experience. Over-the-air updates ensure the system stays current, adding new features and improvements over time. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Tesla Maybach Motorhome clearly sits in the ultra-luxury segment. Pricing is expected to start in the high six-figure range and can exceed seven figures depending on customization options, interior finishes, technology packages, and battery configurations. This motorhome is designed for buyers who value exclusivity, innovation, and uncompromising comfort. To wrap it all up, the 2026 Tesla Maybach Motorhome represents the future of luxury travel. It combines bold exterior design, a truly premium interior, a fully functional kitchen and bathroom, advanced electric performance, and cutting-edge technology into one extraordinary package. This motorhome is not just about traveling, it is about experiencing the journey in absolute comfort and style. Thank you for watching Tour Motorhome, and we'll see you in the next video.